Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist, and so I'm sneaking up on Oso today, seeing what he's doing this morning, and he's working on a 2021 Keystone Avalanche, and so he's replacing a Schwintek side-out system. So hey Oso,
Hello.
what happened to the Schwintek system?
Somehow we managed to jump a few notches over here on the bottom gear rack, and instead of closing like that, it's going uneven.
So it came out of time then, and
Yeah, open on the bottom, yeah.
and so it damaged the actual gears on the rack itself.
Yep.
So this is the new system that you're putting in. So if you guys have never noticed what's on these, there's basically a self-stickum tape with the sticky, and then here's your motor wires. You know, this is the top view looking down from, of course, up there. So if you ever wanted to know, like, hey, look how small these wires are, and look at how small the rail and stuff is.
And you see that difference goes on those gear racks. They're doing that in bursts.
Oh, okay, yeah, I see that.
Yeah, because the other one had it on the.
So this is the newer style that's a replacement. This
Yep.
is called the inverted rack, right?
Yes.
Oh yeah, I see. So basically the wheel is up top versus being down below.
Well, I have it upside down, but it goes like that, but it's still.
Oh, still I see what you're talking about.
Yeah, because the foot goes in there.
Yeah,
And instead of holding the load, it's just moving it in and out
moving in and out.
to keep it against the wheel.
Oh, okay,
like you were
I see.
saying
Like I was
before.
describing before. Very cool. So now again, if you're looking, this one screw is what's holding that motor in place, and that motor is just dropped and locked in place and set in, so it can come out of those pins. And so if you're trying to get back in there and lube it, or if you ever wondered why, like, hey, there's in some cases there's no sealants behind those racks, which is just a sticky tape. So a lot of times when we're putting them in, we're actually applying silicone and putties and stuff to them to prevent water from getting to the backside of it. Thanks so much for showing it to us, Oso, and I'll come back and try to snag some more pictures or videos as you're getting further along. Did you already replace this side? No, not yet?
Working along that side. Yeah.
All right. Okay, well, thanks so much for watching. If you haven't checked out our Keystone RV Owners group, we have a Keystone RV Owners in the RV shop with Dustin, and I'm showing like a lot of the jobs that the guys are working on, the progress. So if you have a unit in here and you want to kind of see what the progress is, sometimes we're a little bit late on putting up the videos or after the fact, but you can kind of at least see like the challenges and the things that the guys are having to do, how they're working on it, embracing the rooms, and different tools and techniques and things that we're doing here at California RV Specialists. So make sure you tune in to our YouTube channel, which is Your RV Specialist, and stay tuned for more. Thanks so much for watching.